145K. It's a 2007 Nissan Maxima, and the motor in this thing is pretty much, I mean, I wouldn't trust it as good right now, but it's going to need the timing components replaced because I can hear the chain slapping against the cover, especially with the mileage. 172,640, but there's no check engine light at present. The brake light is on for some reason, and the airbag light. Oh, definitely gonna need motor mounts. This thing's terrible that way. But let's take it on a spin and see what she does. This does have the CVT transmission. But I'm hearing a grinding or a growling, and there's a pretty good vibration. The more I'm driving it though, I think it might just be the motor mounts. I think the bushings are completely gone on the motor mounts because the transmission seems like it goes fine. It's not slipping at all. I mean, I know it's a little hard to tell with the CVTs sometimes, but I'm not really, and the suspension is, oh my god, this is like literally just there for looks. I feel like I'm driving a boat. Yeah, I mean, the CVT seems like it's okay. Let's try reverse. I didn't try that yet. Alright, reverse seems like it works good. So yeah, power steering don't seem too healthy, but you know, is what it is. Yeah, so I mean, still no lights on, and the brakes seem like they're sticking a little bit, so maybe that's why the brake light's on. I don't know, maybe something's hanging up. Usually it doesn't cause a light, but whatever, it is what it is. I mean, I'll show you a pic of the motor. I suppose it is technically, like I said, good now, but I would not want to drive it too much further without doing the timing stuff. Get the RPMs up and the noise goes away. Excuse me. But you can hear that little clackety clack. That sounds to me like the tensioner is just giving up and the chain's probably slapping against the case. So that's basically it. I mean, CVT seems good from what I can see. These motor mounts and timing stuff, and I think the motor would be fine. So I guess I can put that in with notes. And that's it.